Alright, it's warm as you can tell. So we put the torch to it and started heating it. We got a new crack come in. This one goes all the way across the back over that crack. It looks like it's not cracked maybe right there only, but other than that it's cracked all the way around the whole side. So it's definitely got some issues, so what a shocker. So anyway, that's what they look like when they're warmed up. They're nice and touchy. So now I'm going to try these clamps and see what happens and try to make this stuff work. So we'll see how it works. Alright. Get this thing kind of jacked up more or less where it belongs. So this is pretty flat right now here. There's a little bit. This part here is a little low because I'm pushing only on this one boss, not over here. The case is cooling down a little bit, but it's still pretty hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and warm up this ratchet lid because it's not quite bolting on right now because it's cold. So with that dowel pin in, this one here is just a little bit off. So I'm going to go ahead and let this warm this piece up a little bit. That should expand it, let it drop down. And I'm going to go ahead and put all these screws in here. Then I'm going to come in here and V all this all out. I'm going to weld these things up with all the stuff assembled on here. That should keep us pretty square, hopefully. So we'll see how that works. So that's what I'm going to do next, and we'll see what happens here. I'll show you once I get all the screws and stuff on it. Alright, as expected, once I put some heat on this, it warmed right up. Dropped right down on top like it should. And good to go right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put all these screws in there and see what happens here. Alright, got the screws all down tight. Everything pulled up good. Just got done V'ing everything out to weld it. A little deep right there and starting to go through right there. Had multiple cracks going through there, so I just kept growing until I got through. That will get 100% penetration through there when I'm done, because it's all the way through. Now, hopefully we don't go down into this area, because I'd rather not weld into that race. But we'll have to see what happens to it. So either way, we're going to go ahead and weld that all up solid, and then we'll see what we got.